This is the Robinson R44 Raven. It is a 4-seat light helicopter produced by the Robinson Helicopter Company. It is owned and operated by the Mossel Bay Helicopter Company, and I have the awesome privilege to see the beautiful town of Mossel Bay out of the air. Our pilot is Kobus Kraus, and I hopped onto one of their sightseeing trips over Hartenbos, Mossel Bay, all the way to Pinnacle Point. Hartenbos is a favorite holiday spot during December's and, well, most probably all year round. But as we flew over it, we spotted something in the water. Could that be great white sharks? And we're back. Today I'm very excited because we're going to be flying with Mossel Bay Helicopters, and we're going to go across the Mossel Bay Point all the way through to Pinnacle Point, where there's a big golf course and much more, and just check out the beautiful scenery from the air. So I want to invite you to join me in this beautiful chopper right behind me. Seal Island is in Mossel Bay, and it is populated by over 2,500 Cape fur seals, and the island is surrounded by their greatest enemy, the great white shark. Flying over the Mossel Bay Harbour reminded me of an adventure a couple of weeks ago with the NSRI. Amazing how peaceful it looks this time around. Our flight continues over the Mossel Bay Point, which is an excellent spot for surfing, snorkeling, diving, and then the longest zip line over the ocean. Flying towards Pinnacle Point, the rugged coastline is pounded by big waves as it smashes its way through the rocks. It created over the years the most spectacular formations and caves. A sightseeing trip with Mossel Bay Helicopters is worth your while. Contact them and see Mossel Bay out of the sky.